For now, I'm asking everyone to stay strong as we face these difficult times. These next few weeks, these next few months are not going to be easy for any of us. But if I've learned something is in this ordeal, in this experience, it's that no matter how difficult things get, never lose hope. Hold on to that hope. I just want to say to everyone, thank you. Thank you very, very much. More than you will ever know. Thank you. I love you all.
Strong, that Constitution is a very strong Bill of Rights.
Unang-una, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat sa inyo. Lahat kayong nagpatuloy magdasal, lahat kayong patuloy sumuporta, lahat ng messages of support, love. Alam niyo po, we wouldn't have been able to go through it kung hindi namin kayo kasama. Ramdam po namin ng pagmamahal ninyong lahat. Actually, tuwing mapasok po kami doon, humuhugot kami ng lakas sa inyong lahat. Hindi na po namin naisip ang mga sarili namin. Nandun kami para sa inyo, sa lahat ng mga kapamilya namin minamahal, at sa lahat ng taong pinagserbisyo natin ng buong puso at kaluluwa at buong buhay. Sobrang nakakalungkot po. Sorry, I just have to express myself, but naniniwala ako that God has a reason for this to happen to all of us. He made us stronger as one united family. He taught us many lessons, no matter how painful. Dahil alam ko, He's preparing us for something better. The next few days will be so difficult for all of us. There may be painful decisions that we will have to make. Know in your heart that it's never our intention to hurt you nor your families. Buong buhay namin kayong inalagaan. Masakit sa amin na masaktan kayo. I tell myself, stay strong. I may be crying. I always tell my bosses that. I cry to express, but at the end of the day, we will stand. Hope springs eternal. We will be back. We will rise again. And they can never take away the family we have built through the years. They will never take our heart and our soul away from us, mga kapamilya. Yun lang. Sorry. They may try to step on us or bash us or hurt us. But at the end of the day, we have each other, guys. We have each other. And that's the love of a kapamilya. Thank you. Thank you to everybody. Thank you to the hearing team. Thank you to my two bosses who held our hands all the way until the end, who led us well. Maraming salamat. And who made so many sacrifices. Thank you po. Thank you to all of you. Sorry for being emotional, but you all know me to be that, so you'll forgive me for this. Thank you. Chairman, ikaw na.
Good afternoon, mga kapamilya. This is a sad day for ABS-CBN. I never thought this day would ever come. All along, we remained hopeful that we would someday get this franchise renewed. We knew from the start that that this would be an uphill battle. However, despite all the odds against us, we decided to fight for ABS because we know that ABS deserves a chance, and we knew for a fact that we have done nothing wrong all these years, no? And that that we could go out there and fight for ABS, and we did fight we fought a good fight. You know, nakatagal kami ng 12 hearings, and each hearing mga at least between 8 to 10 hours yan. And dahil sa inyong suporta, kami ay nakatagal kami ng 12 na hearings, no. This won't be the end. We will bounce back, just like we always do, in every challenge that ABS has encountered. We've always managed to come back stronger and more united. Personally, I think this is one of the most painful things that I've ever experienced. Hindi madali umupo doon sa mga hearings at pakinggan ang lahat ng mga batikos at mga sinasabi nila tungkol sa ABS na kahit paano iniikot-ikot nila, even though, you know, hindi yun totoo. Pero ang sakit umupo doon para pakinggan ng lahat na yan. And thank you for being with us in prayer, and thank you for fighting with us till the end, no. I'd like to thank also all the people who helped us in preparing. It took us, if I'm not mistaken, according to Rima, you know, more than 1 year just to prepare for all of this. So I'm sure some of you know that you know, we've been practicing throughout this whole even throughout this whole pandemic, no, naka-Zoom. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, and thank you for all your prayers, no, all throughout. And I know that people were praying throughout, day in, day out, hanggang alam ko kahit sa gabi, tuloy-tuloy yung mga prayer warriors, no. Maraming salamat. So sana lahat tayo ay let's stay strong. I know this will